young man, let's call him Junior, lived in Chester Castle, Hanover, Jamaica. One night in 2024, Junior went to a party with his friends. When it got late, Junior told his friends that he was going home and left alone. As he walked alone, the night air was thick with the sounds of crickets and rustling leaves. He suddenly heard a sharp whistle cutting through the darkness. He froze, his heart pounding, and turned to look. There, standing in the dim light, was a man Junior recognized, a man who had died a few years ago. This man, when he was alive, was known for cooking up big pots of food every Friday and always had his goats nearby. Junior couldn't believe his eyes. The man just stood there, staring at him, as if waiting for something.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
Terrified, Junior quickened his pace, his footsteps echoing in the stillness. But the man didn't disappear. Instead, Junior heard the sound of goats bleating and the man's voice softly saying shh, as if he were calming the animals. The fear in Junior's chest grew heavier with every step. He fumbled for his phone, turned on the flashlight, and shone it in the direction of the sound. What he saw made his blood run cold. The man was still there, herding his goats as if he were alive, his figure glowing faintly in the beam of light. Junior didn't wait another second. He took off running, his heart racing, his breath coming in short gasps. He didn't stop until him reach home. He told his granny and mom what happened, but they didn't believe him. They were convinced that he was just imagining things, but Junior knew what he saw. Even now, he remembers that night like it happened yesterday.